Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Athia back again with another banger video. In case you're new here, hi Abariako, my name is Athiekaluki, and thank you and welcome for joining this channel. Thank you and welcome. Okay, wow, thank you for clicking to this channel and welcome to be on the C-Squad gang. Yeah, so today's video, as you've read the title below, it's a room makeover. It's not an extreme room makeover, so please don't judge me saying that we are not seeing any change, I must do whatever. No, so this place is new. Yeah, we just shifted and this place is new. I don't like the walls and the colors of this room yet. I haven't changed either of any of those. I haven't, but still thinking of it. So if you watch the video, kindly tell me what I should do next on the extreme now, because now you've already seen how the actual room looks like. Yeah, so now you should comment what you think I should do in the next extreme video, which you guys, how you watch my videos and how you share, it will determine how I will go to do the next extreme video. I don't know if you're understanding me. Yeah, so keep watching, share, and let's give this video maybe 250 likes so I can do an extreme one. I'm ready to go bankrupt for extreme one, by the way. I'm ready. Yeah, so already, if I'm ready, what you waiting for? Share this thing, Allah. Yeah, Allah. Okay, I can remember there's or something like of that sort. Anywho, guys, without further ado, my before video is not that as in before, cause one, when nilisha shoot video, I remembered now I hadn't shot the one for the cupboard, but now on the before you will see the cupboard is still done. Bear with me because but it was new. In this room was bare. There was no even wardrobe, so we had to tell the owner of this house to rebuild it ama ni kusema nini itengenezwe. So now hii hapa venye iko siipendi juni open, but anyway you will see I'm not ready to change this one yet for now. But guys, interrupt couple. So guys, what I'm going to say is, yeah, just like this video, share as many times. I was not supposed to post this video, but the people encouraged me that I should, and I thought, why not give you people what you're asking for? Anna, hey, yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure you hit the red button, notification bell, and like, share, comment. Now napenda sana C-Squad. Bye bye. You never treat me like before, and when I'm calling you and picking up the phone, you used to love me, now I'm feeling like you don't. Oh baby, tell me why the fuck I'm doing wrong. You never treat me like before, and when I'm calling you and picking up. And it finally fitted. Wow, like oof. Haha. So where I am right now, I think this is where I will mostly be vlogging because I love the view. Woo. Yeah, so guys, I want to show you how this room currently looks like, and yeah, that's the progress. Because today is 11th, I won't finish this room today, but trust me, because I have a lot of planning in my mind, and it's kinda not even halfly done. It's quarter what I've done. So guys, let me show you how I've done my closet. Yeah, so the closet is done. As you can see, this part of the hanger, this is my side, and that is my sister's side, and that are some of her clothes. And then from the second slot to the down one until to the shoes are actually outside. As you can see, there's so many shoes outside here, of which that pump anyway. So some things are there, and as you can see, the laundry baskets. And look at this thing, is a mess. This makeup table of mine is a mess. Let me not lie. And then my bed, I didn't even make it. What for? And so this is actually the wallpaper that I will be using. I will show you guys how I'll put this one on. Yeah, this is the wallpaper. I want to put it here on this background. And then yeah, so that's basically, so far so good. And I won't lie, I'm tired. This place is basically for my bags, belts, and hats. Yeah, and yeah, so that's it for now. Oh my goodness, yeah, so that's it, I think. So guys, I have a problem to choose whether, the lighting, yeah. So I have a problem to choose whether the bed should stay like this. No, I will show you guys. Yeah, like this. Like this is the whole setup. Yeah, of which I love it. When it's here, I love it. And mind you, I'm going to get another bed apart from this one. God willing. That's God willing. Ain't promised. But that's what is my plan. And the dressing table, at least it has moved from there. It was just right there. Yeah. It was just right there. Right there where the door was, and I couldn't do my makeup using that place because the lighting is bad. And now switched it to this place, of which I think it's awesome right there, because I can just put up my seat here. So guys, we in that one roll, in that one roll, nyamazeni mwambie mnyamaze msikiange, lakini nyinyi mko na vichwa ngumu. Usiambie nige pause. Kwani mimi sijui kitu nafanya na nitakweka hivi, I swear. So guys, as I was saying, I bought one roll, of which it doesn't feel like it will be enough. And then in that one roll, for the height of my wall, imetokea 4 rolls. So most probably I'm going back to the market. So maybe mtaona venye itakuwa nikiweza juu vlogging it's hard because I have to work. Hii hapa sioni ita setup mzuri ya kuwekea, but yenye mtaona, please embrace it. Tulishakokea ile nyingine. Kama sioni kihesabu. Mama ni hesabingi yangu. Utaitumia? Ndio. Sasa hii na stick there, ipo there. Una apply, unastikisha. Unatafadhali uangalie. Ala tunapeka kukata hii. Ama tutaweka alafu. Afadhali sasa hiyo ndio shida yako. Afadhali ungeangalia hiki tukainafanya juu mimi sioni kai inafanya. Siku unafanya kazi ya bure.
Lakini sasa ninaona tunaenda kukua watu plalifakin.
Nishaona nini ni Faride unasumbua?
Nini inafanya?
Ai,
kimeka tu kwa show.
Paka so.
going on. But mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I...
So guys, guess who is in my vlog? The two of them.
Me and my baby white.
Baba, Lorenzo. Hi.
Say hi.
Hi, Baba.
Say hi. Say hi.
Look at him,
And I'm
the way
gonna
he's
miss you.
serious. Hacking. So guys, I was about to show you guys how the wallpaper imetokea. Look at it. Haki tumejaribu. Mara kwanza ile pale tumetundura. Kutundura dumanisha.
Ndio tumeweka vizuri.
Ndio tumeweka vibaya kwa sababu
Vizuri.
tumeweka vizuri lakini hizi zingine hatujazifollow up.
Okay, first try.
Yeah, sasa. Baba, how do you think my wallpaper looks like? Huyu anatuambia inakaa usingizi. Sawa, asante baba. Anyway guys, so this is it. Sadly, this pot and up there hatujaweka because I only had one roll of which is not enough, so I have to go and buy another one. But I already love how it looks like. Unaona? Hebu see.
Instagram photos.
Imagine. Ooh. You guys, you should follow us on our grams.
Yes,
I'll link the links hapo chini. It's about the mimi nakaa kama wanda wazimu hata mnioni. Yeah, I'm right here. Yeah.